Hi guys, alright, so welcome to another one of my reviews. This time around I'll be comparing the Ultrabook and the Porsche Notebook 1, I believe the name is. So basically the new Porsche design laptop. This is the previous generation and this is the newer model. Both of them i7, top of the range spec for the two laptops. But in all honesty, I'm really disappointed with this new i7. Example, this pen doesn't actually come with the newer model and it doesn't even work with the newer model. So let's show you guys quickly what it's like. I'll take this sort of covers off, very similar. Obviously you notice it's got this recycle sort of thing here, but the Intel sign isn't on the newer model. So I'll just pop those here for now. And then to power on, you press and hold. There you go. Let's see which one comes on first. Then you notice the lag, but then again, it's interesting, right? So obviously I passed this down to my church now, so that's why you see the whole Homecraft Church thing there. This was booted. Guys, this is still pending. Isn't that crazy? You know, so yeah. Anyway, that's that one. Another thing that literally ticked me off is the resolution of this smaller PC is insane. I'll show you what I mean. If you go to display settings, you look at the resolution, the display resolution can go up to 3200 by 1800, whereas this newer model goes up to, let's show you, display settings, a maximum resolution of, let's see, I think it's, there you go, a maximum resolution of, I'll just shut this quickly, 1900 by 1080, so just 1080p HD resolution. Now, isn't that pretty disappointing? So again, the first question is, oh wow, this quality of the screen is not as good as this one. Then I looked into the brightness. Let me turn this up to the max. Again, you can see how bright this is already. Insane, right? Like, this is a lot brighter. The touch pen works on this one, but the pen doesn't work on this one, you know? The fingerprint function works on this one. It works on this, but not as great as this one, you know, because this has got more sort of, it's more responsive. Better screen basically on the older model, more functionality because of the actual, the whole thing around the screen, the quality of the screen and the way it feels, you know. This is more solid than this feels plasticky. You see how it wobbles, it sort of wobbles rather. So yeah, I think that those are the things that really tipped me off. Now, what literally really threw me off balance is if I go to settings here. Now, this is where this laptop really broke my heart. If I close this, well, I'll tell you what it is. The newer model is actually Windows 10 Home, and the older version is Windows 10 Pro. Guys, why would they do this? You know, why don't you just load these laptops on so they're super future proof? You know, I had this for a number of years now and it's worked so well, and it's going to serve my church immaculately as well. But this one in 2 years time, I don't think it would actually be that powerful anymore, you know. So yeah, so those are the things that really disappointed me with the new versus the old laptop. Now, the new laptop as well has got a bigger screen, fantastic, but the resolution is pretty poor. The battery life is meant to be better on here. Happy for them, but a lot of times you don't really need more than 2 hours battery life. I mean, depending on what you do, because you always have your charging cables with you. The sound system is a lot better. It's really good sound. It's got a fingerprint scanner here. It doesn't also let you sort of log in using facial recognition, whereas the older one does facial recognition and PIN number. So the only difference here is you can log in with your fingerprint here, but you lose out on the front-facing camera facial recognition thing. On the older model, it does the whole infrared everything. So guys, this machine is a beast. You know, obviously the screen, the keyboard, you can detach the screen from the key. You cannot do that on the older model. On the newer model rather, it's literally as it is. It's a lot lighter though. I give it to them for that. It's really light. It's like 1 point something kg. You know, really light compared to this one. This was quite heavy, but in terms of what it does, it's mind-blowing, you know. So yeah, just thought I'll do a quick video. Extremely disappointing. They claim it's the powerful PC out there. The speed is not anything noticeable. And that's about it, guys. So yeah, let me know what your thoughts are. If you have this laptop already and you're thinking of upgrading, I would say don't stress. It's not really worth it. If I had known I wouldn't have gone for this, I would have probably just I would have kept on waiting. In terms of ports as well, yes, this has just got the two. It's got USB ports, two of them here, and then it's got two USB Type-C cables here, and the headphone jack is on this side. Whereas this one's got the same headphone jack on this side. It's got one USB charging, USB Type-C, two USB ports there, and one USB Type-C at the back, and a HDMI, which is also pretty different because this doesn't have that. Apart from that, guys, good sound. Bigger screen, but not better quality screen. It's just not worth it to me. You know, I mean, I have got a terabyte hard drive on here, but this is 512. But how often do you even get to use that much space? You know, so yeah. Well, thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any specific questions. I'll do my best to get back to you. Jay, peace out.